since January, he's been sitting at a new job, and he's noticing he wants to run more often, but he's having a pain in his calf, in the left calf, right? And he's looking to get back into running again. You said that after rest, and how long did you go without running till it healed?
A few weeks.
A few weeks.
Yeah.
And he took off, and then it kind of felt better, but then he still gets to about a mile, and he starts feeling this ache again in his calf. And he's also saying he's experiencing some upper back pain, right?
Yes.
Does it have a side?
Left side.
Okay.
For,
I was like, does it have a side? This side, right here, yeah. I just look at your feet. You see how this one's kind of, all right. It's not that you're like Quasimodo or anything. Everybody has this kind of imbalance. His whole pelvis is tilted this way. His leg just lays sideways like that onto the table. Now lift this leg up straight up and down, and then the other side straight up and down. Still there, okay? It's just the way that you want to naturally lie down. Your pelvis is tilted. So when I go to adjust you, I go the other way, okay? Right atlas. So what happens is your atlas goes out this way, and this shoulder will turn to meet it. There we go. Doing okay? How's it feel? You okay?
Yeah, it's painful, but just gotta work through it.
Okay. You know, like I told you, just
Yeah.
let me know. Let me know. Here we go. C2, rock that under. I'm trying to create a curve in your neck. Remember how I was pushing your head back? You can naturally place your head back over your shoulders if you have a curve in your neck. Okay, I don't mean this. Look, now I'm straight. No, back over like that. With no effort. So I'm trying to carve this out and create a curve back here. And the vertebrae that are more resistant take more time. More flexibility though, plenty of flexibility on the atlas. Good range of motion. I was just gonna say, breathe. It's all in the back part of the occiput here. See how it's not really, well, hold on a second. A little, not too much right here.
No.
Okay, and then I go over here. Hi. Okay, here we go. Ready? I'm gonna dig, dig, dig. Thank goodness you don't have long hair. Because I could really dig. There it is. Okay. Phew. All right. Now the adjustment, which he's been adjusted before. He's the pro. He knows what's coming. Here first. Right here. Perfect. Got them all. On this side's. Perfect. Right here. There's the rest of it. Gonna go back, check it again. Very good. Very common for this to happen. The side that's stretched out is the side that builds up with fluid. So right now you have a head tilt this way and your left shoulder's high. Okay, so I expect to find edema over here and edema here. Drain that out. Now your head's tilting this way. I'm going to leave you like that. Try to, compress it, right? With compression, fluid drains, right? If I were to hold this for like an hour, I'd have a dent here. So with compression, you can squeeze that fluid out. Oh no, baby toe. Good. Oh no, same thing. Sorry, it just doesn't want to go. Well, it's interesting because not only the baby toe, it's this one as well. So there it is. More pressure is being applied. Remember I told you had a right pelvic translation?
Right.
So when that happens, more pressure is being applied here. That's all it is. So now we got to figure out, reach overhead and grab the table. I'm going to adjust the ankles. Let's see how they move. A little tight over there on that ankle. Okay, do you feel that? How this side just kind of clicked, and this side is, so maybe you got ankle issues. Let's see here. Well, that moved. Did you feel how that caught?
Ooh.
Yeah, you didn't know you had that.
No.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, we'll let that drain right there.
Sure.
You can see after I adjust it, come here, this is always a fascinating, I should have filmed it beforehand. Maybe we have it. Whenever I adjust something, this will sink in here. And when I pulled it this way, and I tried to go like this with your foot, I couldn't get it this way. So I grabbed it and I just pulled it first, tractioned it, pulled this way. This clunked in like that. Now we have a dent here where the fluid gets sucked in. It only happens clearly on the ankle, where you can see it like that. It happens on the neck too when I adjust it, but you can't see a dent on the neck.
Right.
That happens with this kind of motion. You never rolled your ankle? That's almost what it feels like.
Years ago, I think.
Yeah, look at that. Because you're sore there, correct?
Yeah, very.
Okay. Tibialis anterior, L4 to the floor, right here on the outside of the calf. I got to work on.
Okay.
And this muscle comes all the way up here. And it's responsible for lifting your toe up.
Okay.
See, when you press up with your toe towards yourself, this is the muscle. So it's responsible for the heel strike. So we call it foot drop. But I don't think that's what this is. All right, and I'm going to use the blade to kind of be nitpicky. It doesn't hurt. Probably hurts less than that thing. But I can get into these little crevices here. This is where the tendon is. I know, sorry. Wait till we get to the back.
Yeah.
We haven't even gotten to the back of the leg. Feels clean, nice and clean up there, just at the end. There it goes. Little bit of petechiae right here. And there it is. That's the rest of it. Right here. Yeah, so here's the petechiae right here. And that's his little injury. Is it okay? You okay?
It's quite painful.
Woo!
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go through it. 1, 2 more.
Mm-hmm.
2, 3. Done.
Ooh.
I know. It's better just to get those out of the way and then play around with those. This side isn't as bad.
No.
It's not here, okay? Yeah, there's nothing here. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Mm. Right here, big problem. This is from sitting. This is new. See, good flexibility here. And right here is where we start to get. All right, deep breath in. All the way out. All the way out. Got one over here. I'll get it. And out. Oh man, here we go. Come on. That's all it's gonna go. Now I can see. Look, come here from my point of view. Maybe I'll let me take the camera. No. Okay, so I got the camera here and I'm trying to show things from my perspective so that, you know, other chiropractors can kind of understand what this looks like. You know, take a deep breath for me. And as he does that, you can see that this side is stuck here and doesn't want to move. That's the side that I tried to adjust and it just didn't want to go. So I'm going to work here. Now his other issue is right here and here. Then he's got swelling down in here at L4, L5, and here's the sacrum. This will usually go away all on its own if you address these other issues, probably the pelvis. If it's ever too much, you just let me know.
Mm-hmm.
Good, 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 good. Breathe. Okay. Other side. Here's the sore one over here. Just gonna apply pressure to it. When I see you grip the pads, I know we must be getting in there. Ooh. Give you a little bit of a break. Feel what's going on. This arm behind your back. Oh, great. Checking underneath the scapula. Right at the top here is the most congested. Superior aspect of the angle. Here we go. right here.
Mm-hmm.
And for spinatus, hello. This is from having your arms forward on the typewriter.
Mm-hmm.
Typewriter. What era do we live in? The keyboard. Check the delt, not dig into the delt.
No.
It's all right here, right at this attachment. Right there. So come through here. Woo! Hi. Brachial plexus. Right there. There it goes, there it goes. Hey. Did you know what you were in for today?
No.
You're like, I didn't sign up for this. Not as much over on this side, but still here. This is happening because the scapula, from leaning forward at your desk, the scapula is winging up like this and it's getting compressed at the top. This side has great flexibility and is able to do this. I've got to come down here and unglue the scapula from the rib cage here. I know, I'm sorry. You'll feel much better when I stop. Oh. Okay, good. There we go. A little bit of a problem over here too. Oh no. Try to be nice on this side. It's not as bad. You know where it's bad is here.
Yeah.
So I got to come back to that. But what was happening was I kept trying to run through this region and I just couldn't get it to break loose with a couple of passes.
Mm-hmm.
So that means I got to work this whole bundle first. See, it's good now. So back to the elbow at the top. Here we go. Here's the ultimate one right here. Press these ribs down and out. You're doing good. Almost there. Almost there. One more. Carve this section out. Okay. Other side, other side. You're almost there. These are bad. Just not bad, they're sticky. And I'm ungluing them one by one. It don't feel too good. Oh, how bad is it? How bad is it?
It's
You can go, you can
It's
take it?
workable,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. You're gonna be sore tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. All right, yay. Yeah, man. Okay. Okay. Right there.
Yep.
Sorry. Here you go, breathe. 1, 2 more.
Okay.
Oh, no, that was it. It let go. I'm sorry.
Wonderful.
This side isn't as bad as this side.
I'm surprised to hear that.
I know, you would think, right? Because this is the side that got injured. check the hamstrings. Yeah, right here. Got a problem. Stops there. Okay, knee, hold on to the pads for me. I got you though. Relax this, but just your hands hold on to the pad so I don't slide you off the table.
Good.
There it is. Good. There it is. Okay, good. We got a little pop out of that one too. So that had some fluid in there. Okay. I'm gonna let your body do its thing. Tuck your chin for me a little bit. How's it feeling? You doing okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it shouldn't hurt too bad. Right here we've got some petechiae coming out. Tuck your chin again for me. Here we go. This arm above your head, like that.
Okay.
You just had this problem over here in the lat.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. That's all connected. I mean, I'm really trying to pull scar tissue out, but it's, nope, other arm. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Sore a little bit on the side.
Yeah.
Sorry. There it goes. right, that's good. So you're kind of pulling. Pretty, yes, there you go. And then come up and I'll slide it, have it like slightly at an angle that way.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. You feel that?
Yeah.
It's very similar to what I do. Okay, that's the one that's the most difficult. Yeah, you can rock it. Yeah, you're getting it. You can do the other shoulder if you want. Yeah.
This one?
Both of them have it.
Okay.
This one is the worst one. Yeah, right there is your worst. And then you see how you pull that? Now the more you pull down with this arm, the more pressure you get. And then look back. That'll get, yeah. Now this muscle will pop out. You can get another layer. Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's pretty good. You can't get the pressure to flex the rib heads, but you can definitely get in the muscle.
Yeah.
And then look back, you can flex the joint. Ow. Okay. You're flexing that joint this way. Go ahead and try, do one up. This is the top one. You're going to have to be a little bit closer to the neck. Right there. And pull. Very good. I'm going to place this right here. You're going to go all the way back. Back. Arms up over your head. Okay. I don't want you to use it in your low back too much. So go ahead and try to go that way. Is it too painful?
No, it's not too bad.
There you go. You get it. It's hard to stay on it. You have to have core. I know you're capable of this.
Yeah.
Okay, I wouldn't ask you to. There you go. Now stay like right there. A little bit that way. Go that way for me. Right there. You got an issue. Now pelvis down on the ground. Head back. That's it. This is where a lot of your problems are. Like reach down and feel your stomach right now. You see how that's pulled?
Yeah.
When you're sitting, that's all collapsing. That's about as high as he can go. I'd like it like a little bit lower. Right there. I like this one because I can get in between the shoulder blades. My other foam roller can't, and it feels awkward this high.
Mm-hmm.
This one allows me to get up higher. It's not as intense as some other things that I've come up with. It's a good start.
Okay.
It's a good start if you're new at this kind of thing of opening up the front and the anterior chain. This is a good start to try, but there are more advanced. But this is where we start. And you just stay like that for the rest of your life. I'm just kidding. All right, we're done.